Good afternoon, my NPP peeps. Sorry about the late post. I just wanted to wait and see what the reaction was going to be. Well, not only to the jobs numbers today, but to Trump's new plan to reopen the economy. And the market apparently loves that news. And as we can see with the jobless claims today, um, you know, the numbers weren't the jobless claims weren't great enough to really cause a surprise. So what we have here is a nice bull flag forming on the S&P 500, consolidating above the 10 SMA, which is right here, and above this uptrend line that is starting to create. And tomorrow's open is going to be very interesting because after Trump's economy plan reopening news, the S&P, if opening right now, will be right at this 50 SMA. So a close above this 50 SMA, and I think we pretty easily see this 0.618 retrace at 29.34. So there's a little room for trades to the upside here. But I think once we start reaching this 29.34, it's going to start getting extended. And a move down to test the 10 SMA and this uptrend line, I think will happen in the next couple weeks. We just can't keep going up forever. There's going to be a retest. So I think there is a little bit of room up to upside, but be careful for don't get too don't get so much FOMO that you burn all your trades up here. I would wait. At least we're waiting until we come back down into this zone, 10 SMA zone, to then buy dips and play for the rally to continue. I mean, so far we have, higher low here, higher high, higher low, and tomorrow morning we're likely going to get a higher high. So this market, as much as everyone doesn't want, as much as everyone thinks that this market is going to, make a W bottom or extend, a C wave that extends all the way, to 1800 possibly. Everyone's expecting this market to pull back. No one believes this rally could form a B bottom. No one does. And oftentimes the scenario no one believes ends up happening. I'm not making a prediction. I'm not saying that's going to happen. Don't run off and buy every stock out there. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying watch for these price levels to hold as long as they hold, as long as this 10 SMA holds and continues to build. And if we recapture this 200 SMA right here, okay, and then come back down, retest it, hold it, and then continue higher. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a V bottom. I mean, you just have to play price. Play price. Don't play your intuition or your predictions. Play price. So that 200 SMA, I think, holds the key. Holds the key for whether or not this is a V bottom. Because if we come up here, even up to this 0.618 or this 200 SMA, can't overtake it, break this uptrend line, close below the 10 SMA, then the double bottom, C wave, all the C wave double bottom retest talk comes back into play. But for now we're looking for higher. For now, we're taking it day by day, week by week, and right now this is what the market's telling us, that we're probably going to go higher. So our view tomorrow is, we're going to be playing with less position sizing, just because this move could pull back at any moment. We're very extended, so we're going to play with less position size, be quicker with our trades, and then once we come back and get our retest of this uptrend line, a retest of this 10 SMA, and it holds and starts to move higher again, that's when we'll really dig in on the long side and get aggressive for an attack at this 200 SMA. So that's the plan. And again, if the 10 SMA doesn't hold on the eventual retest and closes below, well, then we're not going to get long. In fact, we're going to get short, for a move at least to fill this gap right here, and then possibly the retest. But we'll just have to wait. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. For now, we're looking for some longs, and hopefully this move continues, and hopefully we can just keep on rallying. This market, the market is always pricing in the economy 6 months ahead, so they're looking out, 6 months. They just got a ray of sunshine today, and now they're seeing a possible light at the end of the tunnel. And if this economy can turn back on, yes, it's going to be different. Earnings won't be as robust for a while, but they're playing. The market will play for those earnings to come back in the future. So and the market will continue to rise as long as that the hope for a better future is out there. So I would encourage you to keep an open mind and watch these levels. The 10 SMA is your level that needs to hold for the bulls. And if you're a bear, you want this 10 SMA to break so that downside can continue. But if you're a bull and this 10 SMA holds, keep riding your longs. Take profits around this 29.34 area, and then try to buy the dip. That's what we'll be doing, and we'll see what tomorrow brings, how we close, and how we open on Monday. I think now the close on tomorrow and the open Monday is going to be very important. So we'll probably talk to you. We might do a video tomorrow, I'm not sure, but definitely on Monday morning. All right, guys. Had a great week. Hope you did too, and I'll talk to you soon. Ta-ta.